Today we are going to talk about the workflow of the limestone ball press. First, lime powder ball pressing machine before boot cleaning debris. Fixed bolts. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. 2. Lime powder ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3. When feeding lime powder ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the warehouse pressure. The electric feeder will be adjusted to the best effect. 4. After the end of each shift, the material in the silo of the lime powder ball press should be used up, and the raw materials should not be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop, as opposed to driving sequence. This is the workflow of the lime powder ball press.